Want to play Minecraft but don't have any money? I'm going to show you in less than 2 minutes how to play for absolutely free. So head over to this website called Eaglercraft. I will leave a link down in the description below. And to get started, you'll press the play now button. But before we do that, I do just want a disclaimer that this is a completely redeveloped, recoded version of Minecraft. So this is not Mojang's Minecraft. This is a developer who's recoded this whole entire thing in JavaScript to work on a website. So there is no downloading, there is no having to pay. It is completely free, malware/virus free. So click on the play now button and you can press the full screen button to have it full screen. You can change your username. You can also change your skin by a bunch of preset ones. You can also add your own custom skins if you wish to do so. I'm just going to go ahead with the default, and this is it, Minecraft. You can also play multiplayer, so you can add all your realms and your servers and stuff, just like normal Minecraft, so you can play with your friends. But for the sake of the video, we will go and play single player, create a new world, and we will make this a creative world. And here we are, we spawned at the bottom of the ocean. Now you might come across some bugs. You might see a sheep spawned in the leaf within the trees, but if you want a safe, you want an easy method to playing Minecraft and you don't have the money to pay for an account and you don't potentially want to get viruses going on these online leak websites for accounts, this is going to be the easiest way for you to go ahead and do it. So if you did like this video, please like, please subscribe, share it with your friends, let them know, and I'll see you guys in the next video.